Hello everyone, welcome back to Data with Pankaj. I am Pankaj. Today we'll discuss about how to connect Claude AI desktop to Power BI desktop using MCP server integration. I already created 3 videos on this particular topic, so how we can perform different Power BI tasks via Claude AI desktop related to data modeling, related to DAX, data cleaning, data transformation. Even we can generate detailed documentation, we can analyze the data, we can find the business insight. So we can do multiple end-to-end things using this particular integration. So multiple people requested to create a video how to do this integration so they can also try on their system. So this video is created for that purpose. So everyone can have this setup installed on their system and they can try this Claude AI desktop integration with Power BI using MCP server. So I have created detailed document. So we'll discuss step by step process to install this particular instance in your system. In order to get started, we have to install VS Code, Claude AI desktop. These are the two application we need to install. Okay, if you click on this particular link, then you will see that you will navigate to the Visual Code download. So I will just copy link. I will paste into browser. Okay, you can see you can download here VS Code. Okay, similarly you can download Claude AI desktop. So I will just copy link and paste into browser. So depending on your system, whether you are using Mac or Windows, you have to download. Okay, so we will specifically try for Windows system because I am using the Windows. So here I will click on download for Windows. You can see setup file is downloaded. Okay, so I already installed this particular end-to-end integration things, but just to show you end-to-end demo, I am doing this again. So I have downloaded Claude AI desktop. Okay, so I will just install that here. So downloaded, it is installing. Okay, it will take a few minutes depending on the speed. Okay, so I will allow the permission. Claude AI desktop is installed. So if I search Claude app, then that is installed. Okay. So here you can sign in with your account. Okay, it is already showing for me because I am already user of this particular application. Okay, so if you want to create account, just sign up with your email ID. Okay, like Gmail ID will work here, and no need to buy any plan or anything. Okay, you can get started with a free version. Okay, it is just that with a free version you have limited interaction. With a paid version there is a no limit. Okay, we can interact continuously. Okay, so I am using the pro plan now. So once you have installed, you need to just set up your account, like your username, password, etc. Okay, details, all the things. So this interface will be there after setting your account. Okay, then after that we need to go to VS Code. So VS Code is already installed. I will just open this. Here you can see once it is open, here extension is there. Okay, in extension you need to search Power BI MCP. Okay, so you can see install. So we have already installed in VS Code Power BI modeling MCP server. This extension is already installed. So nothing we have to do in VS Code now. Just we need to install that particular extension. Then we need to locate MCP server. Okay, so using this particular command, you have to run this command in your device using Windows R. I will just paste this. It will navigate to this particular directory. Okay, so here you can see analysis service Power BI modeling MCP server. So whatever extension we have installed in VS Code, that extension source files are this. Okay, so I will just open this, and this we need to navigate to server. Okay, server and Power BI MCP modeling. So here we need to just copy this path. So this is done for Visual Studio. Now we'll navigate to the Claude AI desktop. Here you need to go to setting, then developer. Here you can see edit configuration. Okay, here you can see it will open the Claude AI desktop source file in your system. Okay, so here I will open this with a notepad. Okay, so this is my file. Here you need to paste that copied path. Okay, so here source file, that path we need to paste here. Okay, so once that is done, then we have to save this file, close this file. So this part is done from our end. Okay, then we need to restart the Claude AI desktop. So I will restart the system and then we will see. Okay, here it will show that code is running. Okay, I have restarted my system. So now we'll check, okay, if that integration is running or not. So again, I will go to the account setting and then developer. You will see that Power BI modeling MCP server is running, okay, and this is the path for that particular file, okay. So once you see this running, then you can see that this particular integration is done, okay. Now we'll do the couple of tasks using Power BI desktop, okay. I already created 3 detailed video for different tasks, but just to show the demo again, I will do some tasks again, like creating calendar table or writing some DAX, etc. Okay, so I will open the Power BI. I will connect with my data model. So we have demo project that contain 5 different table, one fact table, and 4 dimension table. Let me connect my Power BI to all the files. So I'm connecting with a dim customer. So I will just load all the data without doing any transformation for all the tables. I will select all the files and bring in Power BI. Okay, I have loaded all the tables in Power BI. I will just save this Power BI file so we can start giving command to Claude AI desktop to work with our Power BI file. So I will just demo underscore MCP. I will just save this PBIX. Now I will open Claude AI desktop again. So here, and I will start passing the different prompts. Okay, connect with my Power BI model. First time it will ask you the permission. Okay, first it will scan the system and it will detect which particular Power BI model is open. Okay, okay, so it has found that one Power BI instance is running in our system. It has connected. Okay, you can see Power BI model, the demo MCP. This is our file name. If you go to the Power BI demo MCP, it is connected with that particular file. Okay, so here we don't have calendar table, so I will quickly create a calendar table. I'll create a calendar table in my model. This is my first prompt, so it will start with the task. Okay, so in this video will not go in detail because I already created 3 different videos for this, so you can watch that. Okay, how to write a DAX, how to create a relationship, how to clean the data using Claude AI desktop, how to do the data profiling. Okay, there are different tasks I have explained in detail in those 3 videos. Okay, so here we'll just have 1 2 operations so you can see the live demo. Okay, how the things will be done here. Okay, okay, so it has created. So let me go to the Power BI, and if I refresh, you can see calendar table is created here. In the data view, you can see entire code, DAX code is written within a few seconds for our calendar table. It has created. Okay, in detail calendar table it has created. Then I will just write another one prompt: create all possible measures and arrange measures table along with the different folder. Okay, this will be our second prompt. So it will again scan our entire data model. It will analyze what are the different numerical fields in our fact table. Based on that, it will create all the possible measure for our data model, and it will organize that into different table. Within that table, it will create a folder for each particular categories of measure, like aggregated measures, then your ranking measures, time intelligence measure, date and time, etc. Okay, so it is doing the batch operation. If you navigate to the Power BI parallel, you can see measure table is automatically created. Sales metric is created. These are the measures under sales metric folder. You can see another folder is created, time intelligence, sales month on month, QTD, MTD, YTD, year on year growth. Okay, then you can see customer analytics. Is this particular measure folder is created for different metrics related to customer. And then product analytics, here you can say best selling products, then sales top category total products sold, maximum product sale, etc. Okay. Then store analysis it has created. Okay. Order per store, sales by region, sales per store, total store, etc. Okay. Then employee analytics it has created for employee related metrics. Then okay, let's navigate to the Cloud AI. It is still doing okay. All measure is created. Okay, so far it has created this many measures. Okay, it will show the summary. Like it will count how many measure has created, how many folder, etc. It will share the summary. Okay, okay. Total 58 measure is created so far, and with 6 different folders. Okay, under sales metric we have 8 measure, time maintenance we have 10 measures. Like it will show the summary. Okay, whatever it has did with our model. Okay, then product analysis 7 measure, store analysis 6 measure, employee analysis analytics it is 6 measure, shipping analytics 6 measure, ranking target, etc. It has created 7 measure for that. Okay, and all are created within a few minutes. Okay, here you can see. So this is just basic things we saw here. Okay, like I explained in detail how to do this setup. That was the main agenda for this video, and I have shown you how to create a calendar table or measures with a major table and folder structure using Claude AI desktop with a Power BI. Okay, so there are many ways to use this setup. There are multiple use cases. Okay, you can do very, you can say, in detail tasks, end to end tasks related to modeling, related to documentation, related to data cleaning, transformation, etc. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the content, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you need this document, just comment document in comment section. I will share the link to access this document so you can have this setup installed in our system.